Hey everyone, hope everyone is doing well. As usual, I'll be coding for the first half, and AMA will be from 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. IST. So, all the questions asked in this frame, I'll be answering all of those. Boom, 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 boom. Hi Teja, hey bro. Yes, so I'll be solving DSA first, and then anyone is new to the stream, they can find about me on the right side. And anyone who is new, please feel free to like the stream if they join. And I'll be answering all the Q&A from 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. So that's when I'll be doing live AMA, right? And if you want to get answers, please feel free to stay. And I do this every day. Hey everyone, if anyone is new and watching the stream, please read this. AMA will be from 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. IST every day, and silent coding will be there. Silent coding plus. So as of now, I'm not looking at the chat because I'm solving these problems. My aim will be to at least solve some of these. Yeah, bros. Lot of comments saying that no sound. Is this screen not visible? Like I can see it on my screen, it is visible. Do I need to make this like this? I think then only I'll get the comment. No sound. I think either I think this is the proper size maybe. Brahmajot, if it is visible, now it is okay. Oh, nice. Cool. Uh, so Q&A will be from 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. guys. Uh, so that's the aim. Okay. Uh, I don't see so many people also. So anyway, it's going to be good. So let me just open the questions on this screen, right? Because it's better that way. You guys can see which question I am answering. I am very lousy. This problem I should have solved within 2 to 3 minutes at max. That's because like I am not solving DSA from last 2 months. So that's like example. I don't need to also, but I just want to do it for fun. But still this problem took so much time. So I was able to, so I started around 10:40. I think I was only able to solve these three. My aim was to at least solve these two topological sort one. Yeah, at least five. But need to increase the speed now again. Becoming very slow. To increase the so guys, if anyone is always wondering like what is my LinkedIn, what is my not, so you can see here. So this bento thing, right? If you click, you'll see get all links but LinkedIn and everything I've attached. So feel free to, and it's there in this also, but this I think is now visible. So feel free to go ahead and see that. But this I think and is again now as visible. Usual I see so there are 25 live people and there are 5 likes. So please feel free to like the stream if you like it. Free to go ahead and see right. That. But I think I'll have to start but answering. This I think and again as visible. Usual I see so there are 25 okay. live people and there are 5 that's likes. Please feel free to cool. Okay, so the like went from 4 to like 10. It. Free to go ahead and see nice. That. But I think I'll have to start. But this I think and again as usual I see there are 25 live people and there are 5 likes. Hi Samir, hi sir. Third year ending. Okay. Cool. You don't so have to call me like you can either call me Jagrit or you can call me anything. Go ahead and call me alien. But I think I'll have to start. Site is and again as usual I see there are 25 live people and there are 5 likes. Till now that's awesome bro. Hi Samir, hi sir. Third year ending to get 6 LP. You don't have to call me like by end of this by end of this year is wrong. You did nothing for 3 years. Site is and again as usual I see there are like one right. That mentality is wrong. Did nothing till now. That's awesome bro. Hi Samir, so much pressure or stress on your mind. You don't have to call me by end of by end of this year, then at least give yourself 3 more years to try. Now suddenly every like every that mentality is within like 5 months. Right? That's awesome. I would say that much pressure or stress on months for DSA and then start when you by end of this year, then at least give but don't put this by end of this cycle. Now suddenly every that mentality is within like 12 months and 1 year. I would say that plus pressure or stress on your mind. And the same start when you by end of this year. Then at there is this by end of this cycle. Now suddenly you put that mentality is right like 12 months and 1 year. I would say that plus pressure or stress on your mind. And the same start when you by end of this year. Then at there is this by end of this cycle. Now suddenly you say that mentality from like 12 months and 1 year. I will say that was and in the same start when you by end of this by end of this now suddenly you say every mentality from like 12 months and 1 year. I will say that was and in the same start when you by end of this by end of the DSA salary is everything was calibrated from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is then it's a by end of the DSA salary everything was calibrated from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is then it's a by end of the salary everything was calibrated from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the salary everything was calibrated from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the salary everything was calibrated from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the salary everything was calibrated from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the salary everything was calibrated from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the salary start from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the salary start from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the salary start from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the salary start from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the start from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the start from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the start from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the start from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the start from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the start from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the start from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the start from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the start from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the start from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the start from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the start from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the start from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the sixth salary rise is by end of the start from like 12 months last year. So I will say that everything was fine on your and in the Right. So, what is the best way to start? How 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 to st it clear now? I understood. I understood. My sound was, I was not able to hear it because I am, uh, but why I am not able to hear it, right? It should come to my headphones also. But that is weird. If this is unmute, then shouldn't I also hear my voice in my headphones? But I don't hear it. I'm not gonna repeat again, guys. I really gave a very good advice, but okay. So just let me know in comments, did you guys hear this? What I'm going to do here? Or do you want me to? We have not heard single answer. Damn it. Oh man, I did not read this. Oh, this is fun. Okay, so let me. Is it okay, guys? Now you guys can hopefully forgive me, right? I've increased the time by 20 minutes. Damn it, bro. And I so just want to say thanks to all the 20 people who were still listening it with echo. So you guys are really good, man. All you have really good patient than me. It's really good. Okay, man, I'll have to repeat. So, but feel free to like. I made you fun. So, Mr. Samir, what I was saying to you is that so you did nothing for 3 years. So basically, you did nothing for 36 months. So 3 years is 36 months, right? And now you want to achieve everything in next 5 months, right? That's just not fair. I'm not saying that is wrong or that is not achievable. It is not just fair to yourself, to your health, and to your mind also, right? You will get frustrated when you are not able to solve DSA. If you have to learn DSA by heart, then it will at least take 12 months. If you have to like enjoy and learn. If you just want to crack interviews, then I would say that spend 3 months, watch this video for like 3 months and solve everything that I mentioned in this video, and then you will at least get like 5 6 LPA, and then from there you can go on. But I don't recommend that. I would say enjoy the DSA first. Which topic? DSA, bro. No, I live with my friends. Uh, Bitlocky. So what I was saying was that you should. What I was saying is that see, you already know graph and all, right? Your DSA is better. Now you are full time. You should apply for full time, bro. There is no internship for you. Internship is for people who have not graduated. You have graduated. So why do you want to do internship? Right? There is no point of doing internship now. That ship has sailed. That's okay. I also didn't do much. I only did internship from Internshala, not a very good paid ones. So Aditya Singh, any tips? I gave a tips, but on a pattern recognition, I will explain it again, what I was explaining. Nishant, sir, please give some tips. So I was saying that if you're in college, OA of Amazon will be little bit easy, but if you are passed out, then it might get tricky. Will need to recognize the patterns. So no sound. Okay, this silent coding was for that. Thank you, Unis Factory. Pratish Mishra. So this is what I was saying, bro, on the patterns, right? So you see this graph, so this is what I am planning. So I have like close to 20 patterns that are like, I would say, very unique and I have myself created, right? I have not copied or pasted from anyone. That is something that I myself follow. So I explained a very nice thing here that I'll be solving it in this way. First, you learn DFS just like this was a DFS problem, right? We'll solve these problems, and then what will happen is, right? I was asking this question, not sure. That's why no one replied. I was waiting for reply. So what I was saying is that uh, DFS, Dijkstra, Bellman-Ford, Floyd-Warshall, these all are same things. So question that I was asking is, now listen carefully, right? So if in Dijkstra algorithm we are given W weight, if I make that W1, then is it a BFS or is it still Dijkstra? I'll just wait for 1 minute and see if someone replies in the chat. I'm not gonna wait too much. Just waiting for some answers there. No one, is it? No one. If I make W in Dijkstra, so okay, UNS has, Akash Ranjan has answered, Avike has answered. Games on Titan. So games of Titan, let me ask you this question, okay? So you are saying that, sir, can you reply to my question? So what should I do to Pratish Mishra's question? Shall I not reply to his question? Shall I reply to your question? First, you tell me, if you were in place of Pratish Mishra, what should I do? Shall I answer your question first or shall I answer them in order? Yes, yes, I have that on my other screen, Arjun Sharma. I can read Akash. Earlier I was like lost in my thoughts. Then, of course, sir, first reply them and then me. Yeah, that's good. That's good. So yes, you are right. UNX factory it becomes BFS because see, Dijiktra's main aim is that we want to pick something that is of less level, right? Now it becomes very close to BFS because every level is now one. That is BFS, right? You start from zero node. I don't have pen pencil with me. I do have actually. So, so it is like this. If let's say these are the nodes, right? And if this has some random weights, then right? And I want to find a path from this node to this node. Then in Dijiktra first I'll pick this 5 and then I'll go here, right? And then I'll pick this 6 also. In the next iteration, I'll directly pick this 6. So as I reached via 6 first, so the shortest distance is this thing, right? This 6. But let's say all of these are 1. Now I'll pick these two first only, right? So in the first iteration in my queue, there will be 1 and 2. Let's say this is 1, 2 and 3. Distance we want to find is from 1 to 2. So this 1 to 2. Now if I, this is 1, okay? This is 1, this is 1. Now as all of these are 1, so first I'll pick 1 comma 2 and 1 comma 3. So in the next iteration, even if I pick let's say 1 comma 3, right? Then it will become 2 comma 3, this one. But as this is smaller, that will be the answer because all weights are 1, 1, 1. But now, I think it was not visible earlier. But let's say now if it is 6, 5 and 10. Now Dijitra is helpful because first I'll pick this 5 and 5 and 6 will be in my priority queue, right? I'll be picking 5 because it is smallest. Then eventually this will become 15 if I go this route. 5 plus 10, 15, right? But 6 will be the actual answer, right? This can't be done with 111. So it is very close to BFS, Dijitra. There might be some edge cases, but that's how I at least try to revise it. Now, if it is 1, then it is BFS. If it is greater than 1, close to Dijitra. If it is negative, then Bellman-Ford, right? So these three, BFS, Dijitra, Bellman. So you have learned three algorithms just by learning one concept. And these three are the most important. Not even Bellman-Ford, BFS, and Dijitra are most important. These four are most asked in interviews if there is a question from graph, right? So that's how you should learn, right? So I did not get any yes. Did I waste my time explaining it to you guys? A UNIS factory, just I'm not skipping any other question, but you are saying to try today's POTD. I don't solve POTD problems, right? So whenever I solve a new problem, I solve it in the morning. So I generally wake up around 6 a.m. So that's when so this at this time my mind is already exhausted, right? So I never try a new problem at 11 p.m. That's why I do a Q&A at 11. So, but I went out of order to reply to you, but that's the aim, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So this is how I'll be doing pattern videos. Let me know in comment if do you guys need this because I have close to 20 patterns just like graph I explained, right? So just like graph, I have different things. So just a tip to everyone, all the questions that have been asked, I'll be answering those. The live will be till 12:20, right? I have wasted 20 minutes because I was not listening to all the people. But still there are 46 concurrent viewers and only 20 likes. So requesting everyone to please like it. And Nishant, I've answered. Pritesh Misra, yes, I'll be doing that, bro, but it will take some time, right? It may take couple of weeks also because I need to kind of prepare. In one video, I'll be over like explaining what I'm going to do and all the patterns. But in next videos, I'll be covering one pattern at a time. And 2, 3 is very less, bro, for each pattern. At least 5 to 10 problems will be there for each pattern. 2, 3 are very less. With 2, 3, you cannot master a pattern. So 5 to 10 is my aim. Okay. Please respond ASAP. Okay, sir. Nishant, sir, let me know if you want me to do anything else also. If you want me to dance, I can dance for you. ASAP is very funny, bro. Hey, Nishant has put, we definitely need it. You need me dancing or you need that DP pattern list? ASAP is, it's like I work for Nishant also. I work for Microsoft and Nishant. There are two people I am working for. Very funny, bro. Please send me money also, Nishant. My every month pay slip. Please send me that. Your thoughts on Laddu, very nice name first of all. Anand, DSA any day, bro. I am still saying it to you, right? DSA is the cream of everything. So Laddu, nice name, Laddu. If you have skills, then the market is anytime good because companies need engineers. They need good engineers. Need just This is really good, NEET G Hindi. Really good if you're watching first year. Don't call my streams shit. These are really good streams, but I'm really glad that you are watching this. If I would have watched any of such live stream in my first year, I would have been a very great competitive programmer by now. At least I would have been orange on Code Forces. So just a tip for you, NEET Ji Hindi, if you're still here, you should watch this problem. And this is where I think I came to know about my voice is not clear. So you should target to solve at least 1300 problems in your first year. So what I was saying is that it is okay if you watch videos out for 300 problems out of 1300, but you should not watch the video for rest 1000. Those should be solved just by yourself. Cool. And do it, right? Don't regret it after 1 year because just you watched Netflix. What I did for my first year was I watched all the TV series. So you have lot of time when you are in first year, right? You just need to study your college things and that's all, right? You have lot of time on your hands, right? So if you do this after the end of first year only, you'll get a very good internship. Trust me. That's what I'm saying from experience, okay? I'm not sure even Neetji Hindi is listening. So Neetji Hindi, please put a comment if you're listening. Just say thanks in the chat. Uh, Thanks for genuine, sir. Due to the device, I have now cracked Amazon SD. Oh, really good, bro. Cracked SD. Cracked SD one away. Cracked. So you have not cracked. You have just got that. So you have cracked. Okay, you have passed away. Really good, bro. Really happy for you, Brahmjot. It's no thanks to me, man. Guinea, sir. What is Guinea? Thanks to. What is this Guinea? Is this. Not sure what you have typed. So. Can you please provide me some tips? Make sure everything that you know on your resume is good, right? That's first thing. Make sure that a resume you know in and out. Okay, I assume you're in college. So just a comment to everyone, right? If you are new to this stream, please put where you are, like whether you are in college, because I don't remember now. I don't remember whether Brahmjot is working professional or is in college. It says it is internship, but I don't know whether he's in second year or third year, right? But still make sure you know your resume in and out, right? And then DSA, and then probably solve Amazon lead code questions. And did some dev if I know just core Java should I start? Yes, yes, bro. Core Java by you mean yes, you start giving from day one. And then contest, see, bro, if you don't give, then also you are not losing anything. If you give, then also you are gaining only, right? So you don't need to worry about when to start. I gave my first contest without knowing that what contest word is, right? I did not know it. I just gave it. Ayush Rawat, sir, today I gave two Microsoft OA able to both question under 35 minutes. Great, Ayush Rawat. I think you would have done lot of. But I think I have read your comments earlier. Like, are you active on lead code? Because if you were able to understand that it is a prefix sum and a sliding window, that means that you are doing lead code regularly, right? Really good, bro. Happy for you, Ayush Rawat. If you're listening to it, just put a comment in a chat. Uh, because otherwise there is no point of me, right? I had already mentioned that Q&A will be from 11 p.m. to this time. But if you're not listening, then I can probably skip some of the questions. There should be a way for to me see who all are watching, like the name of the viewers. If I can see that, right, then I would be replying just to that, folks. I'll do a research on this if there is a way to see who all are watching, right? That way, at least I can just prioritize those questions. I mean, see if I can see that. I don't think so. There would be a way. But yeah, it would be a fun feature. Just ask guys that like on the streams are till still 25. There are 41 concurrent viewers. So at least hit the like button. Like button, I'm saying like button. Okay. Silent coding, okay. Why exposed? Ishwar Reddy, no excuses. Is this neat code 150? Yes. Ritesh, hi bro. Okay, bro. Yes, yes. Such a good coder begging for likes. Okay, sir. If you think me asking for like is begging, then what do you think about me answering all the questions? Is it also begging? Ishwar Reddy, what do you think about that? The likes on the stream, it helps to reach other people if you don't know basic maths. Okay. And then every day I get a comment from someone that somehow they found my channel and it has helped them a lot. I don't myself publicize the like. I am only asking the people who have answered to like. Okay, bro. Yeah, Laddu, that's a good thing. Please ignore who irritate. I might just uh, I might just ignore them, like not ignore as in like block them from commenting. That's something that YouTube gives you. But yeah, anyway, bro, I'm just asking that who have answered, please feel free to give it a like, okay? Who is watching and finding it helpful. Because every day I don't publicize my channel like others do, either on LinkedIn or any other social media, and I don't need to do that. So, but yeah, sir, I can only solve two question third. Two is good, bro. Two is good. Two is like, see, if you are only able to solve two, right, one advice for you would be that try to solve those two now in 30 minutes and then probably in 25 because those are doable. First question is generally doable in 5 minutes and the second question is in 10 to 20. And sometimes first could be done in 2 to 3 minutes and the second in 10 to 15. So 20 to 25 is something, Samek, that you should try to solve now, gain speed on that, and then upsolve the third, right? Try to see the solutions on that. Okay. Do coder high double sound. Yes, yes. So, sorry, bro. Sorry, sorry. Alien. Okay, sorry. Ghost has come in live today. Ishwar Reddy, I am happy to do the mehnat again, bro. Right? That's not a problem. For people who had stayed there listening to that stupid voice of me, then I'm happy to stay more time. I didn't even know, bro, because otherwise sound should come to my headphones also, right? If I make this, so technically, if I unmute this, then I am listening something, right? Then voice should come to my headphones also. It's like you are listening YouTube on two screens, then voice will come to your screen also, right? Or headphones. It didn't came to my headphones. Otherwise, I would have recognized it. I don't do teach anything. I don't teach anything, bro. I do silent coding and then I create videos. We tells all about DSA interview and prep. Yeah, that's pretty much it. See, why I don't teach, there is a reason, right? Because there is very good playlist. So Strivers, Aditya Verma, they all have a really good playlist. There is no point of me recreating all those stuff. I'll target lead code questions probably down the line, but like creating full-fledged playlists, that would not be my thing, I think. Uh, I have a problem solving interview coming up for SCC. What could be the problem they could ask? What do you think problem solving is? Problem solving is generally DSA, bro. Problem solving interview is a DSA interview. Machine coding is a machine coding interview. They call it machine coding or depth specialization, or they call it those or LLD round. And then there is a system design round. What being at a party feels like. Noise is there. Meteor. Okay, this is I think where I recognized it. Cool, bro. I'll try to keep this in mind. PSC third year in NIT. DGP is Durgapur. Durgapur. Not sure what DGP is. So to get an internship, Akash Ranjan, what you need to do is uh, your everything is good. Make sure your resume is clean. Follow the Jake resume. There are already plenty of videos out there. You can watch my video or any video on YouTube, and then apply. Reach out to people on LinkedIn. Ask for referral for a couple of positions, and then apply to couple of directly. You're welcome, bro. Yes, fundamental oops. YouTube, bro. YouTube and Geeks for Geeks. That's where I studied from. Like for DBMS, before your interview, you can see like 100 questions of each, and then in depth you should study from YouTube. How to build logic by solving more problems, as in lead code contest problems. So 130 minutes, 1 hour and 30 minutes, just sit and stare at those 3 to 4 problems. Probably don't think about fourth as of now. Just stare at first two and then third. I'd been very about him, but now I feel that I should have been. You should have done DSA, bro, Arjun Sharma. DSA is more important than all of these. Akash Devagan, I am in second year. How should I start DSA and I haven't done it? So Akash, sorry, Aryan Devanangan. Sorry about that, bro. Watch this video, and in this video, everything that I mentioned, do that. Don't skip any of the part, right? Same Aryan, please reply, bro. Same Aryan, like same question as Aryan. Yes, please do that, right? Sir, I am in second year. I am unable to solve only two question get. So two questions you need to do fast, and the third need question you want to upsolve, and then leverage this rating, right? So if I have to put it like let's say uh, contest 300, right? So you can see the third is around 1800 rated. Now this is not always true. It could be anywhere from 1700 to 1900, right? So that is so if I let's say I select 301, right? So then you can see it is close to 1700, right? So you need to target problems in this range. Samyak, then you guys will be able to solve third. No, no, bro, it will not take 5 months. Focus, complete focus 1 month. Best strings playlist as Striver haven't taught it. There might be some other guys, bro. I have not specifically followed anything for string. Just go to lead code discussion. I am facing problems in DSA. Our teacher told me to learn from Striver. Yes, yes. Your teacher told to learn from him. Oh, that's really good, bro. Still, no, it becomes BFS, bro, then. Yes, I have replied to your question. Now, guys, I'm again gonna ask for likes because I think answered more than 20 questions in a flow. Please feel free to click on this like button on the stream if you find this stream helpful, right? So please feel free to do that. I got placed at PBC. I want to join a fintech company or a FANG company. Can we collab and learn together for accountability? Like, I didn't understand what do you mean by accountability. Like, uh, it is really good that you got placed. And if you want to join fintech, go and apply to it, right? I think you already know a lot of things. Don't worry, go ahead and apply to it. And then learn together. You can join this stream, bro. You can connect with me one on one if you need. But accountability part, I didn't understand. Like, you want to learn one on one with me. Yeah, I can set up some time with you. You can check on top mate and all that stuff. Each level is make it same. Yes, correct. Because each level has now has one thing. Yes, yes. My chat is refreshed Arjun Sharma on the other screen. Okay. First reply. Of course, sir. First reply them, then mine. Okay. That's good, man. Always be patient, bro. Games of Titan. IITians. Games of Titans I had heard. Okay, this is like a funny version of that, is it? 2 years gap, can I get a job? Uh, See, I am not the best person to give any advice on this word, bro. But I would say never give up and then try to build the skills. Once you are good at DSA development, probably some startup will give you the chance, right? So don't worry about that. Or start doing some freelancing on websites like Fiverr and whatnot. I've heard that Fiverr is nowadays very kind of it's like there are a lot of people for work and less work, right? But there is no harm in trying, bro. Games of no, you don't have to say sorry, Games of Titan. I was just kidding. Okay. It is shortest path from one node to all the using priority queue. Yes, Sai Teja, priority queue makes sense when the distance is not one, right? But if it is all one, then priority queue doesn't make sense. Hey, I discovered this channel just now. Does sir prepared any list in a flow? No, bro. Is there no list from basic to advanced? I just want to ask this question. Is there no list? Is there like no list out there? I think a lot of people create DSA playlist and whatnot. There is like no list that teaches from beginner to advanced. Like I never wanted to create a video on beginner thing because I thought that no one would watch it. Not sure if there is. But yeah, let me know in comment guys if then in chat if there is not, then I'll probably think about it. It would be a fun thing to create basically from like basic to advanced. Let me know if more people would like that. Try to solve, okay. That is good, bro, but you don't have to stop for that, right? So Preet Rao, you just discovered this channel, right? So this video is for you, 3000 coding problems. Like I know that everyone, if someone is new asking me about DSA, I point them to this video. This is not me kind of passing them. This is me actually explaining. Like practically this video is of 16 minutes, right? But this has been made out of experience of 5 years. Okay, I've done DSA for close to 5 years now, and I have summarized those in 60 minutes. Now, if now I take a minute to answer your Supreet Rao question, then that would not be justice to your question, right? I would say like two to three things, but here I have explained everything in detail, right? So if I open this in new tab, right, let me just show you a glimpse of what you will be getting. So you will be getting all the steps like how to get started, which coding platform to choose, how many problems to target, how much time to spend on, because lot of comments like this come. And then how to improve intuition, right? And then most important, right, revision. Revise what you learned, like sliding window on 1 day, graph on day, and all of these things, right? So please go and watch this thing, whoever is new, right? Whoever is new. I am not saying anyone to rewatch it, right? There is no point of rewatching it. If you guys forgot anything, then go ahead and rewatch. But otherwise, there is no point, okay? Hey Pratik, I'm good, bro. How was your interview? You can ping me on LinkedIn and tell me there. Hello everyone. Bear, this is very hectic for me. I follow on my coding skills and due to layoff news in MNC and AI perfection. No, bro, see, for a fresher, DSA only matters. As earlier people were building full stack projects, they were using Java, Spring Boot, Man, you use Man, right? Now there are tools like Llama Index, right? So Llama Index. So these are like Python frameworks where you can build your agents, right? AI agents or AI tools. So starter tutorials. You can go and watch these kind of things and then build your project around these, right? So it's like you will have your own chat GPT because if you guys have used chat GPT, that is based on a model, right? So see, this piece of code, what it will do is what it will do is you will ask it what is this and then it will give you a response, right? You are a helpful that can multiply two numbers. That is your agent. So that's what it is, bro. Like create your own agents. So those are some projects that you can work around, right? That way you have now AI skills also. Yes, sir. Try to give pattern of all topics like string. Yes. Akash Ranjan, you don't have to call me, sir. You can just call me Bhaiya. That is fine. You can call me by. You can call me by my name. Anything is fine. Just don't call me sir. Okay. Good evening. Good evening, sir. I can call you sir because I call sir in a fun way. I have completed a DB. Very good shadow. Gana Prakash, I think I have mentioned this that you should start with. I think there is no video who teaches about this, right? I think it would be better if I create a video around that. If I create a video around how to get better, but uh, will it be worth it? Like from a value point of view, right? Because everyone is asking that now how to get better, right? Like one tip would be to yeah, I think it would be better. This real rating website is not that. Even I came to know about this last to last year, right? I did not know that it existed. Even I have been doing DSA from 3 years. So I think this is good. There are other website also like Seal Above. There is C list and there is Labao. There are a couple of websites. So let me create a video on that. I'll make a note of it, bro. I think lot of people are asking same question. It's really hard, bro. The situation is very hard for everyone. Uh, what I can say is that time changes. That's the only thing, bro. And keep applying and keep upskilling. If you need any help, you can ping me on LinkedIn. My referrals are out. I have like given lot of referrals. But if I can reach out to my friends and you can reach out to me, Abhishek, on LinkedIn. Happy to help. Microsoft OA, what to expect? I think NEET Code 150 should be good to revise a concept, and then if you have good grasp on 150, you should be able to solve other problems, irrespective of Microsoft OA. Bayali Garage, yes. I am from Thapad University, Punjab. I have 6 CGP is very less, bro. But I have heard in Thapad University, teachers don't easily give out numbers. So, Yash Mota, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn, bro. I am out of referrals because I have referred a lot of people. Uh, but still, you could reach out to all the other people also working at Microsoft or any other company. But yes, you can just ping me on LinkedIn. I'll see what I can do about it. Just again, I'm going to ask because I've answered around close to 10 questions. Anyone new, please feel free to give like to the stream if you find it helpful or if you find I have helped in any way. By like, I mean dislike, right? So whenever I say like, the reactions start coming in. Bro, you should read bread, you should solve with patterns. You should solve this need code 150. Bro, you should solve with this, right? So I think so here I have mentioned how many problems to target in this let me open this only. See, I have here only I have mentioned let me increase. Maybe you guys have not watched this video. See, in this I have mentioned need code striver top 150. Pick any of these list, solve close to 200 medium 5 easy, right? So in need code all the problems are pattern wise only, right? And Radbread, you I think are old to channel because I remember your username. So you should follow that advice, bro, the one that I gave in the video. Because my advice is not going to change, bro. My advice is not going to change. That this I created when I was sitting free at home. Now I have other questions to answer. So you may get a little bit off advice in this live stream, and you will get the best advice in this video. Because for every video I create a proper script and then answer. SD1 and Simsing company, thanks bro. I also gave Microsoft got out an LLD from electric but rarely get selected. See bro, you already know that you got out on LLD. So you already know that you are very close to all the other company, right? Yes, yes, bro. You should still do. Or company, you have to work at company, bro. You work at the company, but don't leave LLD or DSA. Sir, my question is, I am not able to solve. I answered that question, Samyak, that you have to participate in this. Like you have to solve in this selection. Okay, I'll get some water, guys. Now, but today I get graph problem from. So there is a new phrase. I don't know about phrase, bro. Yes, yes, bro. Definitely. If you are not able to solve it, go ahead and see the solution and then solve similar problems. There is one more tip for you guys. So for every problem, there is always similar question section. So this problem, right, rotting origins and walls and gate are exact same. These both are on multi-level BFS. So see, whenever you are not able to solve this, try to then see similar questions, right? Once you see the solution of it, and then think whether you are able to map those. I do C++. C++ is good, bro, Shadow. C++ is the best language for CP because there are a lot of resources in CP. So if you guys have heard of Tourist, Ricto, and lot of good guys, right? They all do it in CP. Biswajit Goth, you can probably create your own Twitch account, bro, and then watch his live stream there. I have seen his lead code solutions. He is really good. He's like close to 3000 rating on lead code. I think 2800. So as mine is 2000, right? He's like 2800. He is really good. Laddu, please ignore people who irritate. Yes, bro, I think you're good. That's what I should do. Do you think, Coach Chef? Only lead code is enough. For to work at our company, only lead code is enough, right? And like I have seen, so if you guys are not aware about Recto, so there is a guy called Recto. He's really good. You can watch his live stream. Shubham Kumar, I skipped your. Where is your question? Did you see it on the screen? Sorry, bro. Sorry. Really sorry. Maybe it came underneath this. Please tell me some really good web dev resources. I want to start doing web dev. So, bro, web dev resources, Traversy Media. I think I've shared in this. I will do DSA for 2 hours. Third year starting. Do DSA for 4 hours, bro. Do DSA for 4 hours, and then do web dev for 2 hours. And then you are in third year starting, right? Start applying for internship from today itself. Your time is to apply internship. You will do web dev during your internship. Don't worry about doing internship now. Okay? Like don't worry about doing web dev now. Web dev you can do in internship also. No one is going to let you do DSA in internship, right? See, you will get internship based on DSA and you will do development in internship. You get that point, right? This is something that I was not aware of when I was in college. I was doing web dev. And then in an interview, they ask a DSA question, which I didn't know. I knew that, okay, DSA is a subject. As a subject, I knew it. Answered, answered. So I am looking at live chat also on the other screen. By mistake, if I miss anyone, right, just put a comment. Like just like Shubham put a comment, right, bro, you skipped me. I just saw that. So Shubham, now please put a thank you also in the chat. Just kidding, bro. This I think I have answered. If you have good foundation of Java Shadow, then you should use Java. We'll get some mods on the channel. I'll have to learn to how to do that, bro. Manasvi Sharma. Bro, Satyam question I have already answered. This I have answered. That you should not worry about it. If you are not able to solve it, seed solution. This I answered, bro. Hello, Bear, can you please suggest some unique and fascinating Manasvi Sharma, you don't need unique and fascinating Java projects. You need to be good at DSA. This is again something that everyone is kind of confused about. In college, we don't really have very good ideas because we are really new to this tech world, right? We have been learning math, physics, chemistry in our school, and then all about coding comes in. That is why there is something like DSA that is pure dedication, pure hard work. You don't need to wonder about some good ideas. Focus on hard questions, focus on solving, focus on hard things, which is DSA. Don't worry about creating fascinating projects, right? You will do plenty of good work once you get into a good company. Don't worry about that. Okay? So don't worry about that. Let me know if you are still watching or no. But yeah. So I am third year student. I just started. I know all the theory part of. Bro, Sahil Barve, if I'm very honest, bro, your aim would be to get a good internship, right? Or to get into good company. Then I feel it is little late to do CP. You should focus on just pure DSA and then get into a good company. That should be your aim, right? That's what I would recommend you. For that, you can watch this video. This is really helpful. This one. This all I have mentioned everything in this. If you have any doubts, you can. So one more thing, guys, you can see I have replied to each and everything. Each and every comment I have replied to. Because whenever I get the comment, I reply to each and everyone, right? So every comment, if there are around 30 comments, I would have replied to all the 30 comments. So if you have any doubts, feel free to put a comment on it. Okay, I will reply to it. Arranger, bro, I have mentioned in this video which DSA sheet is good. So let me go here and then you can see Neat Code, Striver, top 150 on Lead Code. I think you guys might not be knowing what top 150 I'm talking about on Lead Code, but I'll just show you that. So if you go to this study plan, top interview 150, this is the list I'm talking about. This is really good. This has easy problems also, hard problems also. And it says that covers comprehensive interview topics, original and classic, best for 3 months prep, right? So do this. And I just want to take a moment to say this. Thank you everyone who have been there. So you guys can see that this is my 73rd stream. I've been doing it. I have already mentioned in couple of my streams, but I just want to take a minute to say that again. You can see I've been doing this live stream from a while now. Like I was doing it alone. There was no audience. So sometimes I was speaking, sometimes I was doing it alone. But my aim was to create real value in front of people, right? That was my aim. But now with the audience, I'm able to do that, right? That's why I do it every day. This 1 hour of AMA, even though I don't feel like speaking this much, I don't speak that much, but still I'm continuing it because I like to create value, but I want to create some value in other people's life, right? So just want to say thank you to everyone who is staying and listening to my uh, what do you say, uh, not so good voice. My voice is heavy, so you can. I got a comment also like I had a very won't say I don't know what English word I would use, but you can just say very bad voice, right? I don't have very good voice, so so that's the thing, bro. Just wanted to say, take a moment to say thanks to everyone. Okay. I found this helpful. Okay, I don't want to miss this. Yeah, so arranger, I answered that sheet thing, right? So this video directly has that because I know what kind of questions people will have in college. Because I also had the same doubts. So 50 easy, 200 million, 50 hard, right? See, when I was in college, right, I did not know any sheet, I did not know nothing. I solved 1000 questions on GFG, just random problems. And whenever I was feeling like I don't know anything, I used to do easy problems. Then I used to get a boost and then do it again. So thanks for your time, sir. Thank you so much, bro. I really thank everyone who's appreciating it. Ronak Kriplani. What was your message about, bro? I'll take a look at it. If it is about referral, bro, I have referred already so many people. I'll have to check with my friends if they can do it for me. But I can't promise on their behalf, right? So why my resume is not selecting? Two reasons. One might be that you are applying to less openings. So for example, let's say you only apply to one opening or 10 openings on career portal. Then there is uh, then there is less chances, right? If you have applied to hundreds of opening, then there might be resume format issue, which happened with me. So lot of people think that I might have created this video just for fun. That's not the reason. This video, if you go to this resume video, the resume, right? So this is not just for fun, guys. I had a different resume before this. I had a two-column resume. If you know about that, let me just show you that. Uh, Two-column resume. belief. I had this resume. This is something that got me placed in college, so I was using the same resume, not like graphs over it, but yeah, simple version of this resume. This was my resume. But I applied for close to, you can say 50 to 60 openings, and no one, never heard from anyone, right? So that was the thing, bro. That's why I created that video. It's not just for fun purpose, or it's not a stupid video. That's the reason. That's the reason you should follow. Yeah, I think thanks to everyone who has subscribed to the channel, who always think that there is some value. Yo, hey, bro. Thanks to everyone. Stream, okay, it's third round Android SSC, and that would be system design, Gaurav Kambajo. If it is a third round, then it is a system design. Then it's not problem solving. So what you need to probably look at is Android system design, right? As it is Android. So let me show you something. If you are byte by byte. So everyone, right? Whether you are in college or whether you are 1 year of experience, like if you are less than three, right? Every link that I open on my live stream, I think you guys should save it, because these are all really good things. So if I go to the start learning, right, it has this mobile system design. So probably this is something you can go ahead and read, right? You can follow this pattern. You can use this pattern. Like I have no experience with mobile, bro. Uh, Gaurav, I don't have experience with mobile specifically, but I have learned system design from this. So in one of my video, I had mentioned, right, LXU System Design Book Volume 1. So byte by byte go is LXU's site. If you guys don't know about LXU, do he has his image somewhere here about our team? See, LXU, this is the guy. He has worked at Twitter, Apple, and Zynga. Zynga also pays really good. So LXU, right? So this is the guy. So if you search book by him, like even if in my college someone would have told me this is a really great guy, but I think his book got came in 2020. So anyway, that would have not helped me much. But yeah, if you guys came to know about this channel, uh, okay, so out of context, Pratik has put Byte Monk in the YouTube. It's a really good channel. I say +1 to that. I have watched yesterday only. I was saying in one of my top mid session that he has a really, and he is also underdog, just to say it right. If you see, I think Pratik, let me know if this is the same thing. This let me know if you are also talking about this, Pratik. Like if you see his videos, right? If so, these are like latest ones. So, but if you go later, so in 1 month he has started creating more content. But if you see his old videos, like 5 months back, 5 months back, he was only getting like 5K views because he was very underdog. But his videos used to be really good. I have learned webhooks from his video only. Like, and he spent a lot of time in creating these animations. My videos are, I would say, like 10% of his because I just put it on Xgally. But he does a lot of effort. I have subscribed him from my personal channel, right? This is incognito tab. So he has some members only thing also, which is well deserved, right? So if someone puts in effort, right, I would highly recommend you become members only. But he would be only charging 50, 60 rupees for per month, right? So always appreciate these kind of guys. And he has been doing this from long time. If you see his oldest videos, so he has been doing this from 3 years. He's really good and he explains it really good. He like uh probably 4 to 5 months back he only had around 50, not even 50, 30, 40K subscribers. So within 4 months he has announced 200K. He deserves a million, to be honest. That good video he's. But yeah, okay. Enough of How to progress in DSA? You solve it. So you see this video, bro. In this, I have mentioned rating. So you solve it via rating. This is the website. I'm not going to repeat, bro, again. Let's start coding, sir. So I can start coding, bro, but I'll be answering these questions people who have asked, right? So, okay, I'll not be taking any more questions, but I'll be answering all the questions which are already there in the chat, right? So, taking all the. Okay, so just a friendly advice, guys. Again, please feel free to give a like to the stream. I put a comment, I'll pin that. Let me know if pin helps. Pin message. Yeah, pin. Please save all the next questions for next live stream. Okay, so where to learn? So for CS fundamentals, right? You just need to do this. EBMS fundamentals. YouTube is the best place to learn all of these, right? Like always choose one with the more views. So Niso Academy, this is like I used to learn in my college, Niso Academy, but this guy is very good, Sanchit sir. I have watched all his videos when I was in college. And I think this is like his new videos. So this 5 hours, yeah, it's 1 year old. And he's really good. He teaches really well. I think YouTube should declare this video as best video lecture, great content, sir. So just like Sanchit sir, right? There is other YouTube channels, all like other content also on the same topics. So that's where I would suggest to learn this. He's really good. I am your new subscriber, lady. Find you use code. I am fifth and seventh sem means starting of third year, right? So get good at no seventh sem means starting of fourth year, bro. So you need to start applying for a job role, bro. Once you complete your eighth sem, you should have some offer in hand, and for that you need to have a DSA. And good knowledge. Oh, can you create video for DSA? Difficult DSA topics, not full. Difficult DSA topics, bro. I also don't know. After Crooks or MST Union Find, I also don't know very well Kosa Raju or Fan Victory. I am not the guy to do like hard DSA. Like you should know your limit, right? I know my limit. Yes, sir. Thanks. How can we get an offer from? You need to work on DSA, bro. If you are in college, this is one way to get better at DSA. And if you are, let's say, you have passed out the college, then this is another way, like as SD2. This I think I have also answered. How to approach a question for a beginner? Can you show an example? I already showed an example the other day, but see, you do start with this rating and lets you open a this maximum product, right? So they are saying that you want a product of two numbers which is maximum, right? So and from here you see the constraints, all the number are positive. So two largest number will have the maximum product. Just sort the array and then return the minus one into for last two numbers, right? So but if you are doing this, you will probably sorting will come to your mind after thinking. So that way you start, right? So 1100s are really easy problem. This problem is like really easy. If you have to see concatenation, that might be like combining couple of arrays. Yeah, that's the concatenation thing. You add it, you append the next array into the next of that thing, right? Very really easy. So 1 2 1 and then again 1 2 1. So 1 3 2 1 and then again 1 3 2 1. So really easy, right? So start with these problems, bro. If you even see the hint of it, build an array of two and assign nums twice. Simple. Start like this, right? Mansi, I think I've answered this above. No, no need to focus on fascinating. Learn a tech stack and build simple projects out on that, right? Building a clone of Spotify, building a clone of Amazon is really good for you because you learn the tech stack. Have you guys ever wondered how this see system design is really interesting? Just out of topic, have you guys ever wondered how this chat messaging are being shown? Have you guys ever wondered like your message how it is coming to me? Have you guys ever wondered how this video is coming to you, right? What happens when you click on this subscribe button? What happens when you see on this like button? How I am able to scroll all the way to the top, right? Without lag, how the new message this is all system design because engineers only have built it. What should I do through my third year as I've completed A to Z dividing? Apply for internship, bro. Akash Ranjan, your aim should be to get an internship. What's your idea on build in public? I didn't get your question, bro. Build in public, CP or lead code? Lead code. If you're in first year, then CP. If you are in second year, then lead code. Sorry, from Nitesh Da, you have not spent. Okay, in the above, you might have stand. You follow that video, bro. You follow this video. This is enough. Don't need to worry about all the others. Akash Ranjan, I have also AZ same in third year. I yes, yes. A to Z is enough, bro. Nani Karthik, two of a personal question, bro. I had to drop off from the stream. Yes. You don't have to say sorry, Pratik. All good. But you don't have to even like. That's okay. Pratik, it would make sense if you can like book some mentorship sessions, not with just me, whoever you find applicable. When I was struggling in interviews, I booked sessions with top mid people like senior who are 10-year plus experience, right? Pratyush Raghuvanshi. Bro, I have never used ATS to put my resume under that. So if you probably you can change it back to 85 plus. Uh, I have never even put my resume across ATS. I just know that resume works because I have shared I have put my resume out there. If you guys have to question that, I can in this video you can see the resume. That's the same resume I've used. Probably you can put that resume to ATS, it will not even get 70, I would say. So that the only suggestion would be to do more deep dive on one question, pick one question and do deep dive. By getting a job, bro, Vamsi, you need to get a job. So all my IDs are here, bro. You need to get a job, and how will you get a job is by doing DSA. And then now, if you have already passed out LLD and whatnot, LLD, HLD, if you are a working, if you get any experience, then probably this, then otherwise, normal thing. Just ask to guys who have joined new, please feel free to like the stream. And I have just mentioned, right, I'll not be taking up any new questions. So above this, I'll be answering all the questions. So I answered just Vamsi's answered this. I've just entered third year and 4 months to go. Entered third year, I'm noting lot of problem in. So you don't have to. Okay, so there is a good playlist on Graph also. So if you go to this and then go to explore. and then go to more here. This. I think this is really good graph. Okay, this is premium. I was looking at today from other thing, but yeah, you don't need to buy premium, bro. Other thing is that you can go through Stiver playlist or William Fissett's playlist. Both of them are good. My third year is finished now, and I have done DSA only, no development. So go to this and make some project. Traversy Media, make some front end projects. Make some Next.js or React projects. This is a really good channel. Best online web development programming. That is okay, bro. Main thing is like DSA. I think DSA you have, if you have already done DSA, then now just focus on dev. Answered, answered, answered. No one help as no one help. I Ashwin, I think I explained that start with easy problems. None the years. Yeah, no worries, bro. Your channel is cool, good. Yeah, no worries, bro. But yeah, please feel free to guide your friends if you don't want to guide them to channel, but please feel free to help your juniors. That's the best you guys can do. Someone who is in first year, just grab them and then guide them. That's the best thing that you can do. Please make it faster. Okay, bro. No, that's okay, bro. You don't have to be. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Like it depends on where you are, Ayush. If you have somewhere around 2000 or like 1900 on lead code, you will find OA rounds easy, right? Because have you ever solved lead code contest problems? So if you have solved lead code contest problems, then you will not find OA rounds any different. Sometimes they have a big wording. That's the only difference. For that, you can practice some problem on Hacker Earth. Thank you, Pratik. Thank you. I think this I already shared. You just have to say hi with very respectfully, like hi XYZ. I hope you are doing well. I am Soham, and I have this much of. I am in this college. I have this much of experience, uh, and then you can just tell them that you want this referral, right? Always request in a pleasant way, right? Like I just ignored this message, but this is no way to ask someone accept my LinkedIn request, right? I will probably I came back to this, but next time I'll just ignore these messages. Okay, bro. That's it. I'll be answering all the questions now tomorrow. There are anyway not many questions. Okay, cool, guys. I think it was again nice talking to you all. Uh, if someone is new to the channel, if you are watching this stream for first time, haven't liked it, please feel free to like it. Uh, and please feel free to, if you want to know more about me, you can watch any of this video and I have a description. If you want to connect with me, you can reach out to these links. And thanks everyone. Avijit, you can put the questions in this video, bro. I'm really sorry. Like you can put in this. I always say this. And please feel free to vote also. Like if you really feel this daily check-ins are helpful. Let me just put this in chat, right? I'll just see how many people really like it. So if I come tomorrow, Avijit, I'll answer your question first. You can just put, but you don't have to wait, okay? You can, you don't have to wait. You just put it there, I'll answer offline. But just want to ask you, like, if anyone is new, please feel free to like the stream, okay? And for DSA, this video, bro, all 3000, it clearly starts with DSA. But okay, guys, take care. Uh, I want to continue doing live streams, but uh, okay. Cool, guys. Bye bye. Take care.